Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use lockdown mode on the iPhone iOS 17 or later. Now, to get to lockdown mode, you first want to head to the settings, then scroll all the way down to privacy and security, and within privacy and security all the way to the bottom to security section, and there's only one option in here, lockdown mode. It's currently set to off, so we go into this, and here it tells you a little bit about lockdown mode. I personally have never needed it. However, if you're under attack from some sort of virus or things like that, or you think you're being hacked, this is the perfect solution. And what you want to do is select turn on lockdown mode. Then it'll give you a rundown what lock mode will do. And if you're happy with that, you can select turn on lockdown mode. Then it'll need to restart your iPhone. You may not actually see much difference, however, your iPhone is in lockdown mode. So that's how to use lockdown mode on your iPhone iOS 17 or later. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.